Today lesson, singular and plural. Rule 1. Adding s to most nouns.
Example: book, books, phone, phones, fan, fans. Rule 2. Add our s to nouns ending in ss, sh, ch, x, or z. Example: dish, dishes, class, classes, watch, watches. Rule 3. Change y to is if the noun ends in a consonant plus y. Example: baby, babies, story, stories, puppy, puppies. Rule 4. Adding s if the noun ends in a vowel plus y. Example: toy, toys, key, keys, boy, boys. Rule 5. Irregular plural, the whole word changes. Example: child, children, man, man, foot, feet. Rule 6. Same form for singular and plural. Example: sheep, sheep, deer, deer, fish, fish.
Thanks for you watching. Bye-bye.